Here I have ASUS ROG gaming phone, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the phone dealer. Then tap on the More icon located in upper corner. Select the settings. And here, just tap on Call Blocking and Blacklist. Now you can either block numbers that are not in your contacts, just by tapping on this switcher. So now you will not receive calls from strangers. Then you can select block calls from hidden numbers, so non-hidden number will be able to reach you. Or you can select blacklist, and now by tapping on plus icon, you can add some contacts to this blacklist, you can add some recent call, or add a number. So you can just enter a number, you have to type it manually, tap on OK, and since now you will not receive any calls or messages from this number. If you would like to delete this number from your blacklist, just tap on blacklist one more time, hold it for a few seconds, and now tap on remove from blacklist. As you can see, you can also block only messages or calls only, so you can select one of these options. But I will remove from blacklist. You have to confirm it, because since now this number will be able to contact you either via calls or messages. But if you are sure that you would like to remove this number from the block list, just tap on OK. So actually that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.